Welcome to the Miele Dishwasher installation video series part 2. In this video, we will cover the unpacking of a new Miele dishwasher. It is essential to carefully read the installation instructions that accompany the appliance before beginning the installation. Safe operation of the appliance is only assured if it is installed and connected by a qualified technician in accordance with these instructions. Safety. As with any installation, safety must be one of the primary concerns. The installer must wear the appropriate protective equipment such as steel toe footwear, back support belt, work gloves, and safety glasses. You will also need an assistant to help you lift the dishwasher off the skid when time to do so. Now that the installation site passed inspection and the dishwasher was safely transported to the installation location, it's now time to unpack the new Miele dishwasher. Make sure the box is positioned so there is room to safely unpack and to make sure you can still place the dishwasher on the floor protection once removed from the box. First, remove but don't cut the two black straps around the dishwasher box. We want to leave these intact just in case the appliance is damaged and we have to repack the dishwasher. Slightly tilt the box and base on each side to remove the black straps from under the wood base and place to the side. Removing as much packing material from this site while unboxing will avoid tripping hazards. Now, open the box. Then remove the wood packing brace from the top of the box. Remove the door panel bracket. Remove the toe kick. Steam deflector. The sound insulation, and any other miscellaneous documents included in the box. Keep in mind, items within this box may vary depending on the specific model being installed. Place all of these items off to the side for use during the dishwasher installation. Again, to keep the box intact in case it's needed later, do not cut the box, but lift the box straight up. So, with help from your assistant, lift the box straight up and place it off to the side. Also, remove the top and side styrofoam and wood bracing from both sides of the dishwasher. Again, removing as much packing material from this site while unboxing will avoid tripping hazards. With help from your assistant, it's time to lift the dishwasher up and off of the packing base. Again, make sure the dishwasher is placed back down on the floor protection in front of the installation site. Now, remove the skid and position the dishwasher in front of the niche in preparation for the install. Inspect all around the appliance for damage and confirm the correct model. Make sure the installation packet is located on the back of the dishwasher. Remove and inspect that all the parts needed for the dishwasher installation are within the bag. In this packet, you will also find the toe kick hardware, which will be needed later for installing the provided toe kick. Again, items within the box and parts bag may vary depending on your specific model. Place this packet aside, as this will be needed later for the dishwasher installation. You are now ready to move on to the next phase of the dishwasher installation. This concludes part 2 of the dishwasher installation video series, Unpacking a new Miele dishwasher. Be sure to watch part 3 of the dishwasher installation video series, Installing a new Miele dishwasher. Everything covered in this video can also be found in the provided installation guide. Thanks for watching.